Welcome to HydroHelp911, your go-to resource for homeowners when it involves crawl-space basements and foundations. Today, we'll address a common concern, vertical cracks in basement walls. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Corey Parks, here to help you with those vertical cracks in your basement walls. Let's understand and fix them. Vertical cracks can happen due to soil changes, pressure, or settling. Let's evaluate the crack severity. Crack width. Measure the crack width. Less than 1/8 of an inch is typically minor and just superficial, but wider cracks likely need attention. Is the crack moving? Check if the crack is static or growing over time. Expanding cracks require immediate action. Is there water leakage? Watch for moisture or water damage. Address it promptly to prevent further issues. Now let's talk about some solutions for those cracks. If those walls are poured walls, an epoxy injection may be a great option to fill and seal hairline cracks, preventing water entry and restoring the wall strength. For block walls, carbon fiber straps and/or steel reinforcement do a great job. These two options provide additional stability for serious structural issues. And lastly, don't forget about the waterproofing. Apply a coating or membrane to redirect water, preventing further damage. That's it for vertical cracks in basement walls. Monitor them and seek professional advice if you are unsure. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and join us next time for more home, waterproofing, and structural repair tips. Until then, take care.